Hi, this is Joe with Algo Cleanup, and today I'm going to be talking about Tinyman Swap Widget. This is a new product put out by the Tinyman team, a DEX on Algorand. This widget is unbelievably simple to set up, and it's really incredible how simple it is to embed swap functionality directly on your website or into your application. So I highly encourage everyone to check out their Medium article where they go over all the features, but without further ado, let's just jump straight right into the widget builder. So this is the Tinyman Swap widget builder. You can see that we just have to enter a few parameters and then it will give us the code. And I'm going to go ahead and embed that on our website. So you can just see how easy it is really to build one of these widgets and then be able to embed that functionality directly on your website in under a minute. So right now we have the input ASA as 0, which is for algos. And we have the ASA ID for USDC. And if we wanted, we could go ahead and swap, and we could make it swap from USDC to Algo, but I'm going to leave it as Algo to USDC. And also this functionality is just built directly into the widget itself, so a user can swap the directions. But the first option is to select the ASAs that you would like to have swapping. I'm going to go ahead and put in my platform name. I'll go ahead and just put in Algo Cleanup. So the next feature we're going to look at is this enable service fee. This is a really unique functionality that enables a user or a project to be collecting a fee from anyone that uses this widget within their app or on their website. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on. And you can see you can select from a preset of percentages, or you could set your own custom percentage, but the max is 5%. I'm just going to go ahead and select 1%. And you can see that I have this warning right now. Service fee percentage and service fee account must be provided together. So I need to enter a wallet address where I would like the service fee to be deposited. I'll come over to my website and copy the Algo address that I want my service fees to be deposited into. So we'll come back over to the builder and I will put in my wallet address. So now that I have that all set up, I have the basic setup, what I want to swap, I've named it, and I've put in a service fee. And you don't need to put in a service fee if you don't want to. We're going to come over to the styling. So I just set up all my styling settings. I made the widget background black. I made the header text white. I made the header button background black. And I made the header button text white and the iframe background white as well. I went ahead and selected the dark theme. And so they have a light and they have a dark theme for the swap container. And then I went ahead and just made my button background a darker gray so it's easy to see how to connect a wallet. And then I made the button text white. And then I went ahead and turned on a custom title, which is a very nice feature. I just called it Algo Cleanup Swap. And for the border radius, you can go ahead and change if you wanted rounded corners, but I typically go with none because most of the elements on my website are squared off. You can go ahead and click export now. So now they will give us the iframe code. And we'll go over to my website and put that on there. Also, be sure to check out the documentation if you have any questions. Let's just jump over to my website now and place that code in there. We're going to put the swap widget right here on the website. I can come to the back end of my website. I can go ahead and place the code on the back end of my website. After I've updated it, we can refresh this page. This is a live page. And you can see that the swap widget is now embedded directly on my website. So I went ahead and connected a wallet that is different than my project wallet. You can see my wallet address right up here, and I can go ahead and disconnect when I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and swap some Algo for USDC. I'll go ahead and swap 5 Algo for 48 cents. And you can go ahead and click these view details. You can see that there's a fair price, and you can see that there's a service fee. Algo Cleanup charges a service fee of 1% for each swap made with this swap widget, which you saw me set up in the previous steps. I'll go ahead and click swap. I sign the transaction on my phone just like I would with any other swap on Tinyman or any other DEX. So I can already see that I swapped my Algo for that USDC. We can go ahead and go back to the swap. So now I'm just going to go ahead and swap that USDC right back to Algo. So I can click the arrow to switch the directions. I'm going to go ahead and do the 48 cents. I can go ahead and swap that USDC right back to Algo. I'll go ahead and swap. I'll sign the transaction again on my phone. And so you can see that the swap works as expected on a live site. The swap widget took less than a minute to build. We can head back to the swap now, and I can easily disconnect my wallet. So next, we're going to go ahead and copy my project wallet's address, and we're going to head over to Algo Explorer so we can see some of the transactions on chain. So now that I'm on Algo Explorer, I can go ahead and put in my project's wallet. Sure enough, a minute ago, I received a service fee from swapping those 5 Algos. I received that 1%, so I earned 0.05 Algo. And you can also see 43 seconds ago when I swapped back, I received that 0.004 USDC. That was from the other swap. So you can see the service fee was already set up. It's automatically putting right into my account, and it's quick because the Algorand blockchain has finality in under 3.5 seconds. It's extremely fast, it's extremely easy to set up, and it's an incredible tool that the Tinyman team has put together. I can't believe how simple it truly is to set this up, embed it on a site. If you have a NFT project or any other project built on Algorand, it makes it extremely simple for you to set up a tool to encourage users to swap their ASAs and tell them exactly what token, community token, that you would like them to swap to. So it's a really powerful tool, and I really encourage everyone to at least read about it, become a bit familiar. But this is a great addition to the Algorand ecosystem. Have a great day.